Okay, so the guys are trying to repair where that tree came down and busted that up. And we're gonna, since it's down, we're gonna add another smaller gate to make that a bigger opening to be able to take the tractors through. They get that all leveled up there, then they'll go through and they'll cut that top off of that 4x6 there.
So this is where that limb fell out of the tree and crushed this gate. Now this is the gate that got crushed. Dad, he welded it. So that'll hold the animals all right. Then we went ahead and we had another short one laying around. We went ahead and used it. This way we can get that small tractor through here anyway, if we need to. We got some fencing on the gate. And now Dad, he's gonna weld the chain to this gate here, so that way we don't have to worry about falling off or anything, losing it. All right, so the reason he ground that down in the chain is that way it's got a clean surface to weld to. Now, I think this is a Harbor Freight, a titanium welder, so it's not a great big welder, but it's perfect for stuff like this here. So you've used it quite a bit. How do you like it, Dad?
I like it a lot.
He worked on the little red wagon, got it all welded up with it, and looks pretty good. So they got a fence post here. Wrapped around stuff. Alright, we'll see if that works.
There we go. Somebody's gonna do it. Go on there.
All right, she's on there now. So here's the finished product. Dad, he welded this chain onto this one, and then he put some black paint over it, keep it from rusting. So now we don't have to worry about the chain just being loose or falling or whatever. So she is operational again. Still got to cut this little beam off right here. And then Mom probably put her sign back up there, Chamberlain Family Farms, but there she is. Let's put one straight across there.
Okay. Corey, can you explain what we're doing to this livestock trailer?
We're tearing it up.
No, seriously, can you explain it?
Trying to make sure the goats can't jump through the holes. They had trouble with the rear doors here, wanting to jump out through the holes because they're so big. So we welded up some bed frame. Don't pay attention too much to the welds, but it's pretty solid. It's not wanting to go anywhere, so I think it'll work for what they're wanting it.
If those sheep get out of that, there's something wrong.
Probably.
And if you've forgotten, Corey here, this is our number 2 son.
Hi.
I'm number 1 son.
No, you're the dad.
Oh. Well, I'm Mom's only son, so it's number 1.
Gotcha.
So this is Dad's new project. So this here is an old frame. It just had the sides. It didn't have this or this. And he's fixing it up so Mom can pull the kids around the farm with it. So it's gonna have 2 bench seats here. pretty cool.
We brought some of these old boards out that haven't been used in a long time. You can see that they're quite weathered. We're going to put them through the planer. This is what the wood's looking like now after it's been put through the planer one time. Alright, so we're getting ready for the whole wood part to go down on the trailer here. And it's back here getting it ready. Here's a piece. As you can see, Brent's getting ready to notch out so that this can go on the kids' wagon. That wood's nice and pretty. Looking good, Pops.
Thank you.
Okay, so we got it done and ready to haul kids in. That is awesome.
Hey, I can go in it.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
I really like this.
Yeah, this is really cool, huh? I like how we do. Hi, guys!
Thank you for watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also see us on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe.